Alright, welcome back. Episode 3. Today, we're gonna put this fire alarm in the microwave. If this is gonna beep, I have to smash it with this hammer because my neighbors will get very mad and I will be in prison. Let's put it in. And it still works, by the way. Alright, let's go. Oh shit. Oh. Why is it not beeping? It's going off so fast. My god. I think this is the quickest one yet. Oh shit. Okay, this is way too much. I have to turn this off right now because there's black smoke coming out of it. Oh shit. It's actually on fire right now. This was it for today. See you in the next one. Let's get the fuck out of here.